Hey guys, welcome to a video, like a tutorial where it fixes your ps4 from not being able to read discs and like damaged and dirty discs. So firstly you need to have your ps4 completely off. So you want to hold your ps4 button until it beeps twice. So there's the first one. And there's the second one. So you need your USB cable. And let me just plug it in. Okay, so it's plugged in, it's got the orange light. I'm going to go to option number 3, update system software. I'm going to update using internet. Okay, so you're going to press next, but you've got to wait, so yeah. So should only take about 15 minutes, but guys, if this helped your problem, it'd be great if you could leave a like and subscribe please. So yeah, bye.